This video will guide you through how to use the latest Rehab Pro therapeutic massage chair in your home. Please ensure that you do not lean on the chair or apply pressure to the footrest when getting in or out of the chair. To turn the chair on, press and hold the power button for 5 seconds. The chair will automatically power on. You should now see the inbuilt tablet controller powering on. For first-time use, it is recommended to connect the chair to Wi-Fi and set up your profile. To create your profile, select Login, then choose Create an Account if you're a new user. Enter your personal email address and request the verification code. Once you receive the code, create a password, enter the code, and press Register now. Next, complete your profile by selecting your gender, date of birth, height, weight, and name. Don't forget to upload a profile picture. Finally, press Done. Your account will be created, and you can proceed with the health scan and start using your chair. You can also add additional users to the chair by repeating the same setup steps. Select Auto Programs from the main menu to access a range of preset massage routines designed to support overall body wellness and muscle recovery. Each program targets specific areas of the body. Browse through the available programs and select the one that best suits your needs. To change the intensity of the roller, use the control panel. You can adjust the upper roller 4 days intensity and kneading intensity directly from the control menu by using the screen. The lower roller mechanism intensity can also be customized to your preference. You can observe where the rollers are working on your body. Additionally, the air pressure around your arms, calves, and body can be adjusted using the Airbag pressure controls for a personalized experience. To adjust the chair, go to Position Adjustment in the menu. You can raise or lower the legs, move the footrest in or out, and recline or lift the backrest. Or, if you like, use the preset options, Leisure Mode, Zero Gravity, or Cinema Mode, and the chair will adjust itself. The chair features 3-stage heating rollers for better blood circulation and recovery. Heating can be applied to back rollers, which carries the heat with the rollers. You can also apply heating to lumbar area, seat, and calf, and choose right intensity level of heat according to your preference. You have option to turn the foot roller on and off and also change the intensity of the calf roller for better blood circulation and muscle relief. Massage time can be extended up to 30 minutes in 5-minute increments. You can also activate Aromatherapy and negative ions from the menu for better therapeutic experience. Change LED colors or select rainbow mode according to the theme and space you are going for. You can easily change volume of the music. The chair also features manual adjustment buttons for quick, precise control. First button raises the leg rest upward. Second button lowers the leg rest. Third button inclines the backrest. Fourth button reclines the chair fully backward. You can also select Auto Mode to let the chair find the best position for your body automatically. The last button activates Zero Gravity Mode, which evenly distributes your weight for maximum comfort and relaxation. You can make a custom massage and save for later. Choose Custom Massage, then select Can't Wait to Explore. From here, you can select the specific body areas on which you want the massage to focus and choose additional options as well. You can also select your preferred massage techniques for both the upper and lower mechanisms. Please note, the lower mechanism will not operate when the neck and shoulder program is selected. This is normal, as the chair focuses the massage on the upper body. You can also turn on roller heating, lumbar and seat heating, knee heating, and adjust the massage intensity level to support muscle comfort and circulation. For a personalized look, you can also change the LED lighting color. The chair will now scan your body and automatically adjust the roller and foot position to match your body shape and height. After creating your first custom massage, press the heart icon to save it. You can then name the program however you prefer and add it to your favorites. Next time, simply go to the main menu and select Favorites, and you'll be able to quickly access your saved massage program. For a more personalized massage, select Manual Mode from the main menu. In manual mode, you have full control over how the massage works. You can choose specific massage techniques such as kneading, tapping, or combination modes, depending on the type of muscle relief you want. The chair will now scan your body and automatically adjust the roller and foot position to match your body shape and height. You can always change the massage technique on both upper and lower mechanism. You can make the roller wider or narrower using spot mode. You can drag the rollers to the exact position where your body needs attention. You can also select partial or full body, so the rollers works all over your body. You can also make similar changes to the lower mechanism and adjust all the other settings for a better therapeutic experience. You also have access to the Stretch Massage program, which offers 3 full-body stretch yoga modes designed to improve flexibility and mobility. If you are just starting out, it's best to begin with Yoga Beginner to gradually work on your flexibility and mobility before moving to more advanced routines. Select the body areas where you feel pain or stiffness, then press Start Now to begin your stretch massage and target those areas for relief and improved movement. To check your health data and report, grab your health sensor. On the tablet, go to Settings and scroll down to Per Health Setting. Press and hold the button on the sensor for 5 seconds while it's flashing. Look for GSRS in the menu. If it doesn't appear, press and hold again. Tap GSRS until you see a tick. The sensor will start vibrating, ready to use. Go back and select Health Check. Tap, pick up the sensor. You'll feel it vibrate in your hand. Press Start Detection. The chair will perform a full body scan, including your neck and shoulders, and adjust for your height. Adjust correct shoulder position and press Confirm. While the system are working to check your health report, hold the sensor firmly but gently in your palm, with your middle finger on the red sensor as shown. Wait while the scan completes. The chair's rollers work with the sensor to accurately detect your health metrics. Now you can view your health report, including your fatigue level, which identifies areas of pain and stiffness in your body. You can also see your blood oxygen, microcirculation, heart rate, and HRV, along with the healthy ranges for each. Once reviewed, you can start the massage program, which is customized based on your body's needs. In the Home menu, you can also select Entertainment tab to select your music, or watch YouTube in the built-in tablet controller if you are connected to the internet. You can minimize it while using the massage program or get rid of it as well. You can connect to wireless fast charger, or you have a USB-C fast charger as well. To change or replace the aromatherapy, simply remove the magnetic disc from the chair. In the tablet box, you will find 3 additional aromatherapy kit boxes. Open your preferred fragrance kit and insert it into the magnetic disc, and insert the magnetic disc, which should attach to the chair easily. Bluetooth can be turned on or off in the settings menu. To pair any Bluetooth device, the password is 9999. Child safety. You can set a security code to prevent children from using the chair. Safety sensors. Turn these on if pets or children are around the chair. Sleep mode keeps the chair in position after your massage finishes, allowing the session to end safely without sudden movement. The chair can respond to voice commands. A list of available commands is displayed on the screen for reference. You can choose from several languages in the settings. LED lights at the bottom of the chair can be turned on or off. Adjust screen brightness and the auto sleep timer from 5 up to 15 minutes. A one-key system test checks every motor in the chair. This is primarily for technicians. When software upgrades are available, they appear in the version update section. Bluetooth speaker settings can be adjusted in the menu. Make sure to read the built-in user manual, which provides instructions for safe and proper use of the Therapeutic Rehab Pro. Thank you for watching the full guide. We hope this guide helps you use your massage chair effectively and support your overall health.